first, we need to put this in. See if we need anything else here before we do this. I don't think so. Where is it? It's right here. Almost right across from that. It should be. Well, I need just like that. Piston going up and down. It is. All right. So now to get the stator and this armature, I think it is, on, the first thing we have to do is pull out the brushes, because if we put them on here without pulling out the brushes, guess what? We'll break the brushes. All right, let me give you a little bit of a diagram and explanation of what I'm doing here with the brushes. Hopefully this picture will help. All right, this is kind of a crude diagram of what you're doing. You've got this spring over here, and this spring wants to push down back this way, so it's holding the brush, which is here inside this tube. It's holding the brush against the armature down here. Okay, so if you tried to take this out without pulling that brush out of there, you'd be pulling the brush across the surface away from the armature. So what you want to do is you want to pull the brush out. You grab it, you can take hold by the wire and pull it up, and when it comes up, this spring goes up as well, and then once you get this brush out far enough, the spring will push against the side here of the brush, so it will hold it from slipping down in there. Once you're done, then all you have to do is go in and push the brush back down. Once you've got the armature and everything in place, push the brush back down and it'll click in place, and this spring will come back over the top of it and hold it down against the armature. I hope that's clear. So do is get that up here. All right, that one's out. There's 4, I think, on an AT. There's one here, that one's out. Another one here. That one's out. And there's 2 on the other side. So, right there. Much room on this one. There, that moves. This one right here, I'm going to have to take this wire out first and get it out of the way. So, okay. I put these back to get it on there. Tighten her down. I just have to let those snap back into place. All right, the colors go on top, of course. Okay. That's not going to work, is it? I don't think. I need to find out for sure where the screw holes are. They're top and bottom. All right, top and bottom. That's not quite right. All right. Go away in. it is. Maybe off just a little. That'll turn or not. Alright, these are the screws that hold it. So if we can get them started, means we're pretty well lined up. And I think we're getting there. This one is a bit stripped out, but there's no way you can find a replacement. I think what I did to get it out was groove it. So let's see if I got a straight tip that'll go in there. Looks like I grooved both of them. I think they were stuck pretty bad. There we go. All right. That should all be good. Well, now, simply push the brushes back in. And the springs pop back over the top of them to hold them in place. I don't know if you can see that or not. And we'll do the ones on the other side. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. And here. Alright, now I got one wire that I took loose. Get it out of the way. So let's put it back. I don't know if you can see anything anyway. Is this one up here running? Okay, so that's it. What do we got left? The ball bearing is behind there. We'll figure out how the wire comes in here, but I think it goes in here. It comes from above, and it attaches to all these points here. So, how many times you've done this in your life? All right, so now, what we got here is the clutch cable was just totally messed up. So, it was also the wrong cable, style of cable. It was just too big. The inside part of the cable was just too big. Now, somewhere I have, and that's got to go down some, bigger than that. Somewhere I have a new cable.